Vega Jewelers, exclusive luxury bridal jewelry exhibition 6th and 7th December, Hotel ITC Grand, Bay Beach Road, Vizag.
Samantha got married, second marriage. So how will her marriage, or if she has to like maintain her this second marriage to be successful, what she needs to do? So is bare mein can you just predict? Recently she got married, second marriage.
Okay, let's
So
see.
how will be her married life with Raj?
Okay, let's see.
So we'll find out. Recently, we'll congratulate Samantha for she got married and how's her life, and how they gonna be having a good time. So let's find out.
मैं देख पा रही हूँ यहाँ पे समांथा एंड राज, इन दोनों का रिलेशनशिप ब्यूटीफुल दिख रहा है मुझे आने वाले टाइम में। मुझे दिख रहा है थर्ड पर्सन, थर्ड पार्टी इंटरफेरेंस रह सकता है। राज की साइड से ही दिख रहा है मुझे। एंड समांथा की साइड से मुझे दिख रहा है समांथा बहुत इमोशनल है, ठीक है, काफी इमोशनल है, नर्चरिंग है, बहुत लविंग है, बहुत नेचर लविंग पर्सन है ये। एंड मुझे दिख रहा है कि इनके कुछ विशेस हैं जिसको ये एक्सप्लोर करना चाहती है, एक्सपेक्ट करती है कि वो चीजें हों। इनफैक्ट ये उस डायरेक्शन में अपने एफर्ट भी डाल रही हैं। तो मुझे दिख रहा है कि ये बहुत अंडरस्टैंडिंग है, तो ये चीज़ों को समझेंगी, बहुत समझने वाली है, मुझे ये दिख रहा है। एंड बस इनको थर्ड पर्सन को अलाउ नहीं करना चाहिए अपने रिलेशन में। थर्ड पर्सन इन द सेंस कि आई एम नॉट गेटिंग चीटिंग हियर, बट someone interference.
Regular, okay.
Regular interference, okay. So it will be beautiful, okay. And I'm also getting travel. They will plan, vacation, or it could be honeymoon or something. That is the energy that is coming. And second advice is they should make efforts. Okay, efforts is very important from both sides. Okay. Efforts in the sense they have to take time from work. Okay, they can't give excuses to each other. Okay, it won't help actually. So it will make disturbance in their life. So yeah,
So they have to like keep support each other, but it will be a beautiful marriage.
Yeah, it will
long
be
lasting,
very long lasting, beautiful. And मुझे समांथा है, उनके एनर्जी बहुत ब्यूटीफुल, बहुत कामिंग, रिलैक्स, नर्चरिंग फील हो रहा है। इनफैक्ट
exactly, okay,
आई एम फीलिंग हर।
okay. So will they work together more in industry, movies or web series? They will work together, both of them.
Let me check.
They will continue working together.
Not 100%, but sometimes they involve. Yeah,
but not much.
Each other. Not much. Yeah.
They will believe in more of being a husband wife.
Correct. They are working on their work.
Okay. How their 2026 will be that year for them.
Okay.
The new year.
I'm getting in the cards next 2026 will be very good for both of them.
Okay.
Financially, they will be very secure. They will earn a lot.
Wow.
Okay. So they will buy properties, lands, and I'm getting lots of land, materialistic things are there. They are very secure financially. That is the
Okay.
energies I'm getting it. And there is a possibility they will buy farmhouse or something,
Oh,
big properties,
so the good future.
and they will start business or something, big business or something.
So it's a good prediction for 2026 for
Yeah.
Samantha and Raj couple. Okay.
Yeah.
And one card more about kids. She loves kids, Samantha.
Okay.
So when Samantha will have kids?
Okay. Within a 2 year, I'm getting.
Oh,
Yeah.
she will get kids.
Within a 2 year.
2 years.
Strong.
One or
Possibilities
two.
are strong. For next year, I can say 60 to 70%, but I can 100% say within a 2 year.
She'll have kids.
Yeah.
Kid or
For
kid?
next,
Like one or two? She has something like that numbers?
she will have 2 kids.
Okay.
Okay, I'm not saying within 2 years she will get
Mhm.
two
Of course,
babies.
it's not possible.
Yeah, but 2 kids I'm getting.
Samantha have 2 kids.
Yeah.
One boy, one girl. Gender cannot be revealed.
Yeah,
So, I mean, in the future, we can see Samantha having 2 kids,
yeah.
having good, great family,
She'll, yeah, and she will be very happy, very happy.
and a great mother, we can
Yeah.
say. Wow, that's very.
She will share the time and she will spend time with their kids.
Mhm.
But I'm also getting she will take break from work and everything.
Okay, so we can see in 1-2 years, Samantha will do less work, movies and all that.
She will do work,
Hmm.
but after pregnancy,
Hmm.
okay, after that she won't work
Okay.
much.
Okay.
Yeah,
Then she want to be in family with her kids. That you
Yeah.
see more.
she wants to spend time with their family.
Okay, and she was recently having some health issues, so her health wise, she will be recovering and going in a longer journey. Her health wise, how it will be, because she was suffering earlier, now she's recovering. So, how's her health?
Good.
Good.
Someone help her. Someone suggest her good treatment or good doctor or someone suggests. It could be her friend. It could
Mhm.
be her relative or someone.
Mhm.
Okay, who's very close to her, Samantha.
Okay.
Okay, so very beautiful. Her health
So,
will
health
be
will be
fine
recovered
and
with
good.
the right
Yeah,
treatment.
yeah,
That right treatment will click to her.
yeah.
Okay.
And she will be happy overall, health wise, mentally, emotionally. She will be very happy.
Wow, that's a great prediction, I must say.